I got a pair of second-hand Nike sneakers. This is a model Dunk Low. They came in this box, but it's not the original box. They are original, however, and they are filthy, like they're super dirty. I knew they're going to come dirty because the previous owner told me so. So she was selling them for only €5, but they are very dirty and need a good wash. So I was aware of that, but also I'm aware that these are still in a great condition and have many years ahead if they're only restored properly. So this is how they look right now, and I'm going to show you the cleaning process and obviously the result. So first I'm going to take off the laces, obviously, and I'm going to wash the sneakers first. I'm going to wash them with soap and water, and I'm going to use old toothbrush. Okay, before I put them in the washing machine, first I'm going to wash off all this dirt with old toothbrush, and then I also have this amazing product by Drogeriemarkt. This is a great thing for removing any stains, and it also has a little brush on top. Let me show it to you. See, this is how it looks like. So it's going to be great for removing any traces of dirt. And then they can go into my washing machine. Okay, the soles are looking much better already, so now I'm going to lather them up with this product by Drogeriemarkt and start rubbing. Obviously I'm washing the insides as well. This is clearly very important. I need them to be sanitized, so first I'm going to wash them with this product, and later on when I put them in a washing machine I will put a sanitizer as well. I noticed it has a minor tear right here. I mean, the previous owner told me so I need to be extra careful with this spot because I don't want to damage it furthermore. It's like this one little tear right here. Hopefully it won't get larger in the washing machine. Here is how they look like right now after I wash them with water and the product from Drogeriemarkt. I scrubbed them and they're already looking way better, much cleaner, and now it's time to put them in a washing machine. So I'm going to be using this sanitizer here by Drogeriemarkt. This is liquid that you put together with the detergent, and this is liquid detergent that I'm going to be using. So let's put a bit of this. I am buying a lot of second-hand clothes, so to me personally it's very important to always have this sanitizer whenever I get a new, old, second-hand used item. I always like to add this liquid here to sanitize everything. And this is very sensitive and it's good for delicate fabrics as well. Okay, I think I will put hand wash program because I want it to be more delicate. It's 48 minutes. Is 30 degrees Celsius too much? I don't know. Hopefully it's not. Let's do that. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. The program is done. Look at these babies. They are gorgeous now. as good as new. I would say they still have a lot of years ahead of them. Now I'm going to put them to air dry. I'm going to put them outside to dry in the sun. This is the little flaw that I have, but it's not too big, nothing really noticeable. Perfectly clean, so beautifully white. Actually, because it's nighttime now, I'm first going to put them here to dry in the warmth of a heater. And then tomorrow I will leave them outside if it's not raining for a couple of hours. Obviously, I do not recommend to dry them in the dryer. I have some clothes that I need to dry in the dryer, but this can be very damaging for the shoes, so avoid doing that at all costs. Okay guys, so this is the result with my Nike Dunk Low sneakers. As you remember, they were super dirty, but now they are perfect. They are white and they don't really show a lot of signs of wear. I won't say they are as good as new, but seriously, they are still in perfect condition. There is only this tiny little mark here, but I think it's not too big of a deal. Yeah, and now I'm going to furthermore protect them by polishing them with leather appropriate polish. I'm going to show you everything, and then I can start wearing them. And this is the liquid that I'm using for all my leather items. I got it at Lidl supermarket, but you can find similar items in other drugstores. Drogerie Markt also has great variety for leather care. And this will just protect the leather and make it more beautiful and soft. Guys, I really hope that this video inspired you to take care of the items that you already have, to really make the most out of them, and also to give a second life to second-hand items, to dedicate more time to thrifting rather than visiting regular high street stores, because those stores really just promote mass production and pollution to our planet. You can really find great things second-hand and spend so much less than what you would normally spend by just, you know, buying a couple of things at regular high street or high-end store. So consider this option.